In the ethereal realm of Eldoria, where the boundaries of reality blurred and the fabric of existence trembled, there lived a primordial entity known as Vorvadoss, the Chaos King. He was a being of unfathomable power, a cosmic tempest that defied all order and reason. Vorvadoss's origins were shrouded in the mists of time, lost to the annals of forgotten epochs. Some whispered that he was born from the primordial chaos that preceded the creation of the universe, while others believed he was a manifestation of the unyielding forces that sought to unravel all that was. His form was a kaleidoscope of shifting colors and chaotic energies. His eyes, like swirling vortexes, held the power to shatter minds and consume souls. His voice was a cacophony of whispers and roars, echoing through the void like the lamentations of a dying world. Vorvadoss's realm was a realm of perpetual chaos, a swirling maelstrom of elemental forces. The ground beneath his feet shifted and groaned, as if the very earth itself feared his presence. The air crackled with electricity, and the sky was a tapestry of swirling colors that defied description. Within this chaotic realm, Vorvadoss held dominion over all that was disordered and unpredictable. He commanded the storms that ravaged the land, the earthquakes that shook the foundations of mountains, and the fires that consumed all in their path. He was the master of nightmares, the bringer of madness, and the harbinger of destruction. Yet, amidst the chaos, there was a strange and twisted beauty to Vorvadoss's realm. The swirling colors and the cacophony of sounds created a symphony of chaos that was both terrifying and mesmerizing. It was a place where the boundaries of reality dissolved, and the impossible became possible. One fateful day, a group of intrepid adventurers dared to venture into Vorvadoss's realm. They were a motley crew, each with their own reasons for seeking the Chaos King. There was Anya, the sorceress, who sought to harness his power for her own ends. There was Eldrin, the warrior, who yearned to prove his mettle against the most formidable foe. And there was Lyra, the bard, who wished to witness the chaos firsthand and immortalize it in her songs. As they entered Vorvadoss's realm, the adventurers were met with a deafening roar. The ground beneath their feet trembled, and the air crackled with energy. They pressed on, their hearts pounding in their chests, their minds reeling from the overwhelming chaos. Finally, they reached the heart of Vorvadoss's realm, where the Chaos King himself awaited them. He was a towering figure, his form a swirling vortex of colors and energies. His eyes burned with an otherworldly intensity, and his voice echoed through the void like the sound of 1,000 thunderclaps. The adventurers stood before Vorvadoss, their bodies trembling, their minds overwhelmed. Anya, the sorceress, summoned her most powerful spells, but they were met with a deafening roar that shattered her incantations. Eldrin, the warrior, charged forward with his sword drawn, but his blade was swallowed by the chaos that surrounded Vorvadoss. Only Lyra, the bard, remained unaffected. She raised her voice in song, her words weaving a tapestry of chaos and beauty. Vorvadoss listened, his eyes flickering with a strange emotion. As Lyra's song reached its crescendo, the chaos around them began to subside. The ground steadied, the air grew still, and the colors faded into a soft glow. Vorvadoss turned his gaze upon Lyra, his eyes holding a glimmer of something akin to respect. "You have witnessed the true nature of chaos," he said, his voice now a gentle whisper. "And you have not been consumed by it. You have found the beauty within the madness." With those words, Vorvadoss vanished, leaving the adventurers alone in the fading chaos. They had faced the Chaos King and emerged unscathed, forever changed by their encounter with the primordial force that shaped their world. And so, the legend of Vorvadoss, the Chaos King, was passed down through generations. He became a symbol of both the destructive and the creative power of chaos, a reminder that even in the most unpredictable of realms, there could be found a strange and twisted beauty.